Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and I'm back. Okay, I've kind of been MIA for the last week and a half or so because I've been reorganizing and redecorating my craft room spot. You know, it got a little bit too much there, and I had to try to contain it. Okay, so I'm really proud of myself. I've been following RTS scrapbooking in her Rearrange Your Stuff series. Y'all need to go check her out, RTS Scrapbooking. And I tried to attach the video at the end of this one, but it is awesome. I'm on phase 3 now. I've went through, put all my like stuff with my like stuff, went in, done that, labeled everything. Now I'm in this making sure how it is and fine-tuning everything phase. But before then, my craft room was toe up. And I had to get my son to help me because when I was trying to record and I was going through and making this, my picture was upside down. So y'all was seeing this upside down. And it was like this. So he had to help me get it fixed. Unfortunately, since I'm doing my Margaret Miller Week challenge to get caught up, I've already done it. So I just have to explain it this time, and we won't get to see me doing it. We go on week 44 that I'm catching up on, and I have to have an image with the sky in it, and I chose this. It has the boats, and there's the sky with the sun setting, and it has pattern paper. It's up here. Something associated with the period in history, and that's our little lady out of an 1800 advertisement. And something that starts with a B, and I've got a butterfly and a bird. Fabric, yarn, or string, and I've got kind of a mixture of it down here for the little bird's nest. So, and the bonus is something torn, and I tore this and put behind that, and I also tore in the pattern paper. So that is, oh, you can't see my little bird. The camera's kind of catty-wonky. Might try to see if I can't fix that, but there we go. That is my week 44 all done. Okay, thank you. See you on the next go round. Bye.